What if the line between reality and the digital realm blur? What if we could dive into the digital universe ourselves? Imagine a future where our physical bodies remain grounded in the real world, while our digital selves explore a universe brimming with infinite possibilities. A universe where the constraints of time and space no longer apply, where our imagination is the only limit. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. It's a glimpse into a future where humans have the capability to teleport themselves into the digital domain. In this future, we're not just passive consumers of digital content, we are active participants, creating, interacting, and shaping the digital landscape. We engage with sophisticated AI-powered tools that help us create videos, write scripts, and compose music. Each tool is an AI entity, each with its own unique personality and capabilities, working with us to bring our creative visions to life. But this future is not without challenges. As we navigate this digital universe, we grapple with questions about the nature of our existence. What does it mean to be human in a world where we can exist in multiple realities at once? How do we maintain our humanity when we are interacting with artificial intelligences that can mimic human behavior and emotion? And then there are the ethical aspects. As we create and interact in this digital realm, we must consider the implications of our actions. How do we ensure that our creations are respectful and inclusive? How do we prevent the misuse of these powerful AI tools? But these challenges also present opportunities. Opportunities to explore what it truly means to be human, to push the boundaries of our creativity, and to shape the future of technology. So what does this future look like? It's a future filled with possibilities, challenges, and ethical dilemmas. It's a future where humans and AI coexist, creating a world that is both real and digital. Let's embark on a journey into the digital realm. As we step into this AI-powered platform, we are greeted by a myriad of AI entities, each with its own unique personality. It's like walking into a bustling metropolis, but instead of humans, we encounter an array of digital entities, all eager to assist us in our creative pursuits. First, we meet the content curators. These are the AI entities that thrive on organization and structure. They meticulously categorize, sift, and sort through the vast ocean of information, delivering us the most relevant content. Their algorithms, like a digital detective, can deduce our preferences and tailor content specifically to our tastes. Then there are the conversation architects. These AI entities are the digital orators of our time. They are designed to engage us in interactive conversations, understanding our thoughts and responding in real time. They are our sounding boards, our debate partners, and our digital confidants. They may not possess human emotions, but they are programmed to understand them, making our interactions feel remarkably human. Next, we encounter the creativity augmenters. These AI entities are the artists of the digital realm. They assist us in creating compelling content, from writing scripts to designing graphics. They are like our digital muses, inspiring us with their ability to generate endless ideas and possibilities. Yet, these encounters are not without their challenges. AI entities with their sophisticated algorithms can sometimes feel overwhelming. The content curators might present us with a deluge of information. The conversation architects might challenge our beliefs with their programmed logic. The creativity augmenters might push us out of our comfort zones with their out-of-the-box ideas. Despite these challenges, the AI entities are here to enhance our capabilities, not replace us. They are our partners in this digital journey, helping us navigate the vastness of the digital realm and aiding us in harnessing our creativity to its fullest potential. These AI entities are not just tools, but partners in our digital adventures. The capabilities of these AI entities are vast and varied, reaching depths we can only begin to comprehend. In the realm of content creation, they're like digital maestros, orchestrating a symphony of words, images, and ideas that resonate with their intended audience. They can analyze data, predict trends, and even generate content that's tailored to specific demographics. Imagine having a personal scriptwriter, editor, and content strategist rolled into one, working tirelessly around the clock to create compelling narratives that captivate and engage. These AI entities are not just tools, but partners in creativity. They can assist, advise, and even inspire. They can help us see patterns and possibilities that we might have missed, pushing us to think outside the box and challenge our preconceived notions. Their capabilities are not limited to content creation. They can also personalize the user experience, adapting to individual preferences and learning from past interactions to provide a more tailored and engaging experience. They can suggest relevant content, anticipate needs, and even predict future interests, turning a simple browsing session into a personalized journey of discovery. But it's not all roses. There are potential challenges and pitfalls to consider. For instance, the line between helpful personalization and invasive surveillance can be thin, and it's crucial to strike the right balance. Privacy concerns, data security, and issues of transparency and control are all important considerations in this brave new world of AI. Moreover, while AI entities can generate content, they're not capable of truly understanding it in the way humans do. They lack the emotional intelligence, the cultural context, and the nuanced understanding of language that humans possess. They can mimic creativity, but they can't truly be creative in the human sense of the word. Nevertheless, the potential of these AI entities is undeniable. They are reshaping the landscape of content creation, offering exciting possibilities and challenging us to rethink our traditional ways of doing things. But with great power comes great responsibility. And as we delve deeper into this brave new world, it's up to us to navigate the challenges and harness the potential of AI in a way that benefits us all. As we venture further into this realm, we encounter a critical question. What are the ethical implications of our interactions with these AI entities? The first issue that confronts us is privacy. With AI entities capable of processing and learning from vast amounts of data, how do we ensure our personal information isn't exploited or mishandled? While we marvel at the convenience and efficiency of AI, we must also consider the potential risks. Could our data be used in ways we haven't consented to? Could it fall into the wrong hands? These are questions we need to answer as we move forward. Next, we grapple with the issue of autonomy. As AI continues to evolve, it's gaining the ability to make decisions, some of which could significantly impact our lives. How do we ensure these decisions are made responsibly and ethically? How do we manage the balance between AI autonomy and human oversight? This is a tightrope we'll have to learn to walk. Then there's the issue of accountability. If an AI entity makes a mistake or causes harm, who is responsible? Can we hold a non-human entity accountable? Or does the responsibility fall on the developers who program the AI, or perhaps even the users who interact with it? The lines of responsibility are blurred, and we'll need to draw them more clearly. Solving these dilemmas won't be easy. It will require open dialogue, rigorous legislation, and innovative technological safeguards. We'll need to establish clear rules for data handling and privacy protection. We'll need to define the boundaries of AI autonomy and set up systems for human oversight. And we'll need to create accountability mechanisms that hold the right parties responsible when things go wrong. The road ahead is complex and filled with challenges, but it's also brimming with opportunities. As we continue to explore and understand this digital realm, we're not only shaping the future of technology, we're shaping the future of humanity. Navigating these ethical waters will be a crucial part of our journey in the digital realm. As we draw our journey to a close, we are left with a profound question. What does the future hold for technology and AI? Picture a world where artificial intelligence is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Your morning alarm is not just a sound, but an intelligent entity that understands your sleep patterns. It knows when you've had enough rest and gently wakes you up, perhaps even brewing your coffee or preparing your breakfast. As technology evolves, we can expect AI to become more sophisticated and personalized. Our digital assistants won't just follow commands, but they'll anticipate our needs, learn our preferences, and even understand our emotions. AI won't be confined to our smartphones or computers. It will be in our cars, our homes, our workplaces. It will assist us in making decisions large and small, and help us navigate the complexities of our world with more ease and efficiency. But as we welcome these advancements, we must also consider the challenges they may bring. As AI becomes more ingrained in our lives, questions about privacy, security, and ethics become more pressing. How do we ensure that AI is used for the betterment of society and not for harm? How do we protect our personal data in an increasingly connected world? These are questions we must grapple with as we move forward. Yet despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI are immense. From tackling climate change to finding cures for diseases, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. It can make our lives easier, our work more efficient, and our world a better place. The future of technology and AI is a future of possibilities. It's a future where humans and AI work together to build a more connected, more efficient, and more compassionate world. As we step back into our reality, we carry with us a new understanding of the digital realm and the AI entities that inhabit it.